pleased to note that the report forwarded to the Minister contained unanimous recommendation of the three partners. I consider the report, and in accordance with the powers conferred upon the Minister by the Labour Act, I decided to proclaim the essential services as recommended by the Labour Advisory Council. The Minister is obliged to give notice through the Government Gazette and the print media of the Minister's designations of the essential services. I hereby inform you that I have designated the following services as essential services. In hospitals: 1. Ambulance services. 2. Casualty services. 3. Theatre services. 4. Intensive care unit services. 5. Clinical or cardiac services. 6. Laboratory services. 7. Pharmaceutical services. 8. Dental services. 9. Radiography services. 10. Physiotherapy services. 11. Mortuary services. 12. Medical services, including specialist services. 13. Hospital kitchen services. And 14. Hospital laundry services. Those are the designated ones. Then in local authority, what we have designated: 1. Emergency management services. 2. Disaster management services. 3. Potable water services. 4. Waste water management services. 5. Water reclamation services. 6. Scientific services. There are only 6 designated there. I am of the opinion that the limitation on the rights to strike and to lock out in these services is necessary in order to prevent harm to the life, health, or personal safety of persons in Namibia.